Hi everyone, Roger here from Ask Our Experts YouTube channel. Today we're going to remove the A-pillar trim from a BMW E46. Super easy, except that my E46 is a 1999, which makes everything super brittle. A couple of tricks that I can give you to get these pieces out without breaking them. Please subscribe to my Ask Our Experts YouTube channel. Please like this video, it helps me out a lot.
I have a friend of mine that needs it. He's reupholstering his E46 and his A-pillar trim cracked when he removed it.
You need to purchase some new A-pillar trim or the cover for the screws. I'll put a link in the description box.
Let's just talk about real quick A-pillar, B-pillar, C-pillar. Your A-pillar is this part right here. This is your A-pillar. And then if we go over here, this area here is your B-pillar. And then if we go further back, this area here would be your C-pillar. Then if you had a hatch, you would even have a D-pillar. What do you think, Zion? A-pillar, B-pillar, C-pillar, and D-pillar. You got it? Alright, so here we are at the A-pillar. On a BMW E46, we have this panel right here. It almost looks like a cutout when it says HPS. That's actually for the head protection system. So these are going to be the tools of choice. I have a pocket screwdriver, a 90-degree pick, and a straight pick. Still intact. Okay, so going a little bit more gentle on this side. Getting in there with a 90-degree pick and then levering outwards seems to be a better way to do this if your car is aged. So you can see slide down for a little bit of tension and then lever out with the 90-degree pick. So it's like we figured this out here, and there she is. And it did not break on this side. Alright, so now take the A-pillar off. For an E46 A-pillar, there's 3 screws. See if it's a T25. Yep, I was right, T25. Same thing, I'm gonna pull the seal back. And try not to break it. Ooh, oh, jeez. Oh, that sounded terrible. It's just so brittle. Normally they don't break like this. You can kind of finagle them out. But that did not sound good. I'm sure this one's done. Yeah, and it's jammed in there too. Oh. Alright, so let's see how I did. Alright, so same thing. That's the pivot point right there. That's what locks it in. Might be able to fix that with some plastic weld. The main pillar is actually in decent shape, and with some plastic weld, should be able to get that into place, hopefully. Now when you're reinstalling, you can see that little tab right there. So right there is where that nub is supposed to go into, and then you just lay it up against the A-pillar, and this is actually the head protection airbag. It is under this A-pillar trim, and it goes also up under the headliner. And then you just put it into place, and you have the 3 screws on this one to hold it on. So very easy to remove and install an A-pillar trim on a BMW E46. Maybe I'll get a picture of his upholstery job, because it is very common for these to peel up. So what he has is a kit that you just remove this and you glue down a new piece of upholstery, and I'll have to see how good it comes out. I have not done that yet, but this definitely would also need the upholstery kit, and I'll give him these and see what he can do with them.
I have a GoPro coming with a head mount and a chest mount. I was thinking about getting a dog mount. I didn't buy one, but it would have been fun to have Zion with the GoPro attached to him. But I have some great video ideas, so subscribe and join me on Ask Our Experts YouTube channel.